A day in my life as a full-time gigging musician. Day 2 ng gig ko sa UCC Cafe in Westgate, Alabang. I had to make sure I put on my cluster faucets because ya girls got no eyelashes. One of the best TikTok finds ever. And kung di nyo napapansin, mahilig ako sa hikaw. I chose white shells today to match my white flowy skirt. I have to travel 37 kilometers from east to south. That's roughly around 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours na biyahe. Buti na lang maganda na yung weather kasi medyo maulan nung lunchtime. While walking from the parking lot, nadaanan ko tong Spanish restaurant. Nalala kong dito tumutugtog si Lolo D. Siya yung nagturo sa akin mag-gitara nung mag-start ako sa choir back in 2006. Pagdating sa UCC Cafe, I have to set up na agad. This is actually my first gig using my WOW Audio Vivace. Hindi ko na full charge sa bahay pero umabot ng day 2 gig yung 75% battery niya. I've been dreaming of getting a battery-powered speaker for a long time. Magagamit ko kasi talaga sa busking at gigs. So, I'm done setting up my stuff. Bumaba muna ako saglit to visit today's busker sa Westgate. Hi, JL! Andito rin pala si Ellie Poliver tumambay sa gig ko. And here's the outside view of my setup for today. If you want to see my setup nung day 1, I've posted a video a few days ago. Nagmamadali na akong bumalik sa taas kasi kailangan ko na pala mag-start. And I'm done! I played from 6 to 9 p.m. At ngayon, since hindi nyo naman ako matutulungan magligpit, panoorin nyo na lang kung paano ako mag-pack up ng gamit. I want to grab this opportunity to thank UCC Cafe Westgate, Alabang for giving me a stage to perform. Congratulations sa napakagandang renovation ng branch. Bisita kayo rito, guys. And of course, sa WOW Audio for providing a solid sound system for my 2 days na gig. Sobrang satisfied ako sa tunog ng WOW Audio Vivace. Solid na araw today. Salamat sa pagsama and see you on the next one.